Yep. Hey guys. So if you hold that. So it is a now tropical depression Cristobal. Next advisory, it is going over the Gulf of Mexico, and so it is probably going to strengthen back to a tropical storm. We do have some tropical storm warnings in effect for Gulf of Mexico. So storm surge. Forecast graphic 1 to 3 feet from Marco Island up to Arequipa, and Arequipa all the way to Indian Pass 2 to 4 feet, and the Indian Pass to Ocean Springs 1 to 3 feet, and then from Ocean Springs to Grand Isle 2 to 4 feet, and then we will probably also have some over there yonder. So we do have some tropical storm watches finally in effect for parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and parts of the Panhandle. And then we also do have some tropical storm watches in effect for parts of the Yucatan Peninsula. So the greatest flash flood risk is a 10% chance for parts of Mississippi and Alabama and Louisiana, and then a 5% marginal risk for literally the entire state of Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and a little bit of Texas and Georgia. And then we do have a slight risk up here, and then we also have a marginal risk. So mainly the big threat is mainly the south central to the east to the mid-Atlantic. So we do have some tropical storm surge watches in effect from Spring Hill to near Tallahassee. That's easy. And then we also have it from Pulaski to New Orleans and parts of these little islands. I don't know what they're called, but sorry. So rainfall. Rainfall is going to be a big issue. Mainly from 2 all the way up to possibly 10 inches of rain, localized rain. Higher rainfall will be possible localized. So we do have some tropical storm wind speed probabilities. That was a tongueful. So we do have up to a 90% chance, but that probably already stretch on up into Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida. A wider spread, and yeah, I think that is it for this. Okay, we missed one thing. So the earliest reasonable time is around Saturday 8 p.m., but the most likely time is Sunday 8 a.m. So I will be doing a live stream at both of those times just in case, and I will be doing a live stream whenever it does make landfall. So this is the satellite imagery. So we do see that spin, and then it kind of gets like cut, you could say. The low pressure is located right around there because you do see a kind of hook trying to form all the way around, but can't happen. But you do see some spotty areas of good convection, and the reason being is because this is where all the moisture is, and then here there is a lot of low and a lot of high moisture So over here, there really isn't a lot of storms that's happening, except on the north side. That is the reason being why Florida is going to get impacted worse than where it makes landfall. Um, so this is the infrared. So we do see some little blow-ups of convection, but not much. And then we also So you see that it literally is cut in half where the low pressure is located right around there, but we do have some spotty just pickup ones. I don't think that's from the storm necessarily, but it might. So we do see the GFS model. It says it will get up to around 980 and then go on and make landfall right into Louisiana, right near New Orleans. Um Here is the CMC model. The CMC model says it won't even make landfall in 72 hours, which in my opinion is fake. Due to that, there won't be any tropical storm warnings because that's 48 hours from now. So it's going to make landfall in 48 minus hours. Um, so this is the HMON. So this is the HMON model. And then we see that it makes landfall as a 998 storm. And then we do see humidity happening, and actually very good humidity whenever it goes on up there and makes landfall. We do see some not bad but not good wind chill. If it was over here, then it'll have a good time. And winds, the main winds would be around this general area, the tropical storm force wind field. Here is the CMC, same right around the northern portion. And yeah, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye bye.